In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a US president's timeline in Excel. To begin, open your Excel workbook and locate the worksheet where you want your timeline. When you are ready, look at the grid of cells. You will be working in the area that includes columns A and B, and you will start by highlighting a specific range. Carefully select the cells A2 through B5. As you click and drag, you should see that those cells become highlighted with a colored outline or shading, depending on your Excel settings. Taking a moment to select the correct cells matters because this selection tells Excel what data to use for your chart. If your data is in a slightly different location, you can adjust the range, but for this tutorial, you are targeting A2 to B5. Once the selection is correct, you are ready for the next action, which is choosing the chart type from the ribbon. Now, move your attention to the top of the Excel window. You should see the ribbon, which contains tabs such as Home, Insert, and others. Click the Insert tab. This opens the section where you add charts, tables, and other visual elements. As you click Insert, the ribbon will change, and you will see different chart and graphic options appear. After you have selected the Insert tab, your goal is to reach the chart icons that create visualizations from the data you selected earlier. In the chart area of the ribbon, find the Insert column or bar chart icon. It may show a small symbol of columns or bars, and sometimes it includes a drop-down arrow. Click that icon to open the list of chart styles that Excel offers. This is the part where you choose the right visual format for a timeline-style display. Since you are making a president's timeline, you typically want a chart that can show categories along one axis and values as bars. After you open the drop-down, look specifically for the options labeled under the 2D bar section. You do not need to guess here. Just scan until you find the 2D bar options. When you locate them, select Stacked Bar. Choosing Stacked Bar is important because it allows Excel to combine related data segments into one continuous bar. That makes it easier to see the overall progression across your categories, which works well for timelines. Once you click Stacked Bar, Excel will generate the chart using the data from cells A2 to B5. At this point, you should see a chart appear on your sheet. It may appear as a new chart object in the worksheet area. Take a quick look to confirm the chart is using the correct data. You should see bars that correspond to the categories and values represented in your selected cells. If you do not see the chart you expect, you can undo and check your selection. But in this tutorial, you should now have a chart ready. Now that the chart is inserted, you can continue adjusting it later, such as adding titles or refining formatting. But for the steps we are covering today, the key accomplishment is getting the chart type placed correctly, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.